What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unyellow and deoxidize a pair of shoes. The shoe that I'm going to be using to show you guys the process in which I unyellow is a pair of Air Force 1 lows. This sneaker is very yellow and I believe there's a future in it. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first step we have to do is clean the sneakers, because if we don't clean the sneakers, the sole sauce won't get onto the material because the dirt will be in the way. So let's get into that. This is how the sneaker came out after the cleaning. Next step is to put the sole sauce on. When applying the sole sauce, you want to distribute the sauce evenly throughout the midsole for the best results.
Perfect.
Now that we've applied all the sole sauce onto the midsole, we have to use plastic wrap and wrap the sneaker up, so when it's in the sun or UV ray, it doesn't dehydrate. So let's get into that. This is how the sneaker came out after I applied the plastic wrap. What I recommend you guys to do is to tape the plastic wrap up and over into the inside of the sneaker, so when it's in the icebox or in the sun, it doesn't come undone. Now let's go to the icebox. Now the final step in this process is to either 1, put them in direct sunlight, or 2, put them in an icebox. If you do not have an icebox, a sunlight is perfectly fine. I'll see you guys in 2 to 4 hours. If you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. In today's video, I did a full walkthrough on how to unyellow the midsoles on Air Force 1 lows. I'm going to be dropping a video in the future on how to ice up the soles on Jordan 11s, anything with icy bottoms. All the products I used in this video will be linked down below in the description. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.